To change the brightness on your AOC monitor, start by locating the monitor controls, usually found on the bottom right or left side of the screen. Look for a set of buttons, often labeled with icons or text, that allow you to access the monitor's menu. Press the button labeled Menu or Settings to open the on-screen display. Use the navigation buttons, often marked with up and down arrows, to scroll through the options. Select the Picture or Display menu, where you will find the brightness adjustment option. In the Picture or Display menu, navigate to the Brightness or Picture Mode setting. Use the navigation buttons to adjust the brightness level to your preferred setting. You can also explore other picture settings, such as contrast and color temperature, to optimize your viewing experience. Alternatively, you can use the monitor's hotkeys to quickly adjust the brightness. Check your AOC monitor's manual or online documentation to find the specific hotkey combination for brightness adjustment, often involving the use of the plus and minus buttons. For a more personalized experience, consider using the AOC monitor's built-in preset modes, such as text, movie, or game mode, which can automatically adjust the brightness and other picture settings to suit your needs. It is also a good idea to adjust the room lighting to minimize glare and reflections on the screen, which can help reduce eye strain and improve overall visibility. By following these steps, you can easily change the brightness on your AOC monitor and enjoy an optimized viewing experience.